trying to pack up before the next lot of rain comes. It thundered a lot of last night and lightning, and everything is soaking. But I just thought I'd show you this campsite. So this is Grass Tree Camp on Hip Camps in the Blue Mountains. So it has 5 campsites. There was one just there, one we're in, and then you go down here to the other ones on the other side of that clearing. They're all well signed and well marked, and you do get your own fire pit which you can buy wood from them for. There is a composting toilet. So today, if we can wake up and actually get some breakfast, because it's pretty wet, everything's soaked, we are off to Scenic World and then the Australian Reptile House Centre thing. So we'll see how that goes.
G'day guys, just rocked up to Scenic World. So it's really busy again. We got here early and we're amazed at how busy this place is, but yeah, we'll go in and have a look around. I'm not sure what you can see down there, but if you have a look closely, there's an old roller coaster carriage down through the centre there, a white one. So we'll keep walking along and see. You can see some old railings that go off the edge there and a track down there. So let's see if we can see it at a different angle. I'm a little bit obsessed with the abandoned stuff. That probably gives you a better view of where it crosses over. The track ends and it goes all the way into the trees. On this side is where the cart goes down the end of the Scenic. It's quite a massive structure here, isn't it? Look at the old roller coaster. It's epic. I've got to research now into what this used to be. That's the Three Sisters lookout over there. Yeah. We haven't got a great day for it. So this is the world's steepest rail cart, isn't it?
No, this is the cable.
Oh, the cable car. The railway is the world's steepest railway.
Look how fast it goes.
That's boost down there, right, isn't it?
But we'll probably take that back up.
Yeah, I think so, yeah. And over she goes.
This is the Scenic Railway.
This is Railway. My name is Isabel. I'm your driver up the back. We're going to head down to the Jamison Valley. Please keep on with any loose and valuable items you would like to keep.
Nice? Good idea. You do it. There's Jurassic. Jurassic Park. Oh my god. Oh my god. That is steep.
Oh, that is really steep.
I want a bottle. Wow, that's steep.
That is crazy.
Yeah, look at it.
I'm literally going.
Standing up.
It's around 60 degrees. Yeah,
Jurassic. It must have been slow.
Jamison Valley. Once the train comes to a stop.
I've come from up there. You can't even explain how steep that was. That was epic.
Katoomba coal mine with an old ventilation furnace.
I've put some lights in there to show you how deep it goes. It goes back there about 150 metres, I reckon.
Old coal mining carts.
These my knees up against the...
I've forgotten how steep it was. Well, I knew it was steep, but
That's the old coal mine, 1870 years. This is Dinosaur Valley we're coming down into now. Lots of old mining equipment around.
And a missing rock.
We have some giant eggs. Sorry?
18 millimetres long.
They're big eggs.
18 millimetres. Tiny egg.
Tiny eggs. Oops.
Their school is Poppy. Most loved it is true.
Dinosaur remnants. Oh, she's got babies.
All right, up we go. Welcome aboard the Scenic Cableway, everyone. I'll take you back up to Scenic. Well, it's the steepest cable car in the Southern Hemisphere. If you look straight up, 220 metres, back we go, all right? So, in most other countries, this would not be called.
And in the middle, 270 metres beneath your feet. If you get scared, number one advice, don't look up. Ta-da! Yes, magic. 270 metres. Or picture the Sydney Harbour Bridge stacked on top of itself, and that is us. In the middle of the valley. Yes, the sisters are still there, right hand side, far left corner. If you haven't seen the three sisters, there they are. Same spot, still haven't moved an inch.
1930 to 1970.
If you want to get to that bridge, it is a very popular spot at the moment. Don't know why. Usually that's the case when it's closed, but unfortunately you cannot walk on it. It's had a very bad wet weather for the last 18 months. So being fixed, you can walk.
The carts through here. These are the ones they fell off. 65,000 people died. That didn't happen, but it makes the story better.
No. Walking towards the waterfalls now.
Hold this while we walk over. That goes down and off the edge of the cliff. Steps to walk over. Okay, while we're walking back, I'll tell you a story about a chick named Lorraine who ruined it for all of us. If you're into roller coasters or you've been on the Facebook site Lost Amusement Parks of Australia, I don't think I've seen this one on there, but here at Scenic World in 1980 was finished a roller coaster, a true roller coaster which you'll see photos of on here. It was 850 metres long. It was completed in 1980, but was shut down and never ridden because people in the area thought it was too noisy. Lorraine. Even though they put soundproof glass in Lorraine's house for free, she still had the steam clocky removed and the roller coaster never opened. So thanks Lorraine, but this is what should have been here. Lorraine, you jerk. And there you can see the track comes up over all the way around and up and over the car park. You can see there's quite a few twists and turns in it, so it would have gone sort of horizontal to vertical pretty hard through there, which sounds like fun, but thanks Lorraine. So yeah, if you're interested in old roller coasters, quite a good place to visit. So just another view of the car park of the Thanks Lorraine. See a good banking there, and right up over and around there. There's other huge areas of it down in the valley, but oh well, we'll never know.
So we finished at Scenic World.
Yep.
And now we're just going to go and have a look at the Australian Reptile Centre at Somersby, and then head up to near Newcastle tonight. Thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe if you want to see more of our travels, and keep an eye out for the next episode on this trip.